So this is our game, KanyeSnake. I'm Ale. This is Max.
I'm Max. What's up? I'm 25. I'm here from Kansas City, attending Ironhack. I was born in St. Petersburg, Russia. I went to school in Kansas City, and I studied chemistry and philosophy, but wasn't really feeling what I was doing. I was doing research, and just wasn't feeling it. Decided to switch it up, and here I am at Ironhack.
So I'm Ale, born and raised here in Miami, Florida. I'm 19 years old. I'm currently studying Babson College. Currently, I studied entrepreneurship, so I'm doing this course to kind of further my understanding of entrepreneurship and expand to more of like the tech industry.
All right, so why did we make KanyeSnake, and how has nobody else had the idea? We figured, it's funny. It's a funny concept. Snake, Kanye, it's great. It's an iconic rapper and an iconic game. A lot of people grew up playing Snake, even 30, 40 years ago. And we're fans of his music, obviously, as you all should be. So.
And also the domain of KanyeSnake is open and under my registration, so nobody can take it from me. So that's another thing. So KanyeSnake.com, this will be on KanyeSnake.com. So where did we start? We first started building the homepage, and as you can see, that's Kanye, the king, in the front of the screen. That's actually a GIF, an animated photo. We also included some hover effects so that when you go over new game and instructions, it hovers a red little display, and you can click that to either start a new game or to look in the instructions of a basic Snake game. It kind of follows the same rules. Here's the instructions. I'm not going to go over every single one because it's kind of explanatory during the demo. But you can go ahead and click Start Game, and then it'll take us to the game screenshots.
So as you'll see here in a couple minutes, there's the game. We have a Spotify playlist on the left. We have the game itself. We have the score. You'll see it here in a sec. And then there's the winning screen. The thing we decided to do differently than traditional Snake is you kind of keep going until you die. We decided to get a winning point, so when you beat the final boss, which I'm not going to tell you who it is, you'll have to play to find out, you win the game.
So a few of the challenges that we had was linking the score to the actual game, because when you start the game, you start with 4 snake heads, so we had to kind of eliminate the default score so that it starts from 0. Another challenge we had was the modals of the settings. So we were trying to make a settings modal which linked then to a instructions modal. However, we couldn't link the 2 files so that the settings adjust. So we just kind of deleted the settings portion, and we just included the instructions because the different difficulties are already on the game, so you can select them as you play the game. So here's our demo. This is our homepage. Also, another challenge was the responsiveness to different desktops, because so our canvas was a specific size, and when you adjust the windows, it kind of messes with the actual Snake movements and picking up the bosses. We have bosses in the game, so you guys are going to see because we're bosses. So. So when you start the game, you pretty much just go around. You're picking up Kanye heads, and as you can see, the score is going up incrementally by 10 points every single head you pick up. You can also adjust the difficulties on the top of the page, and also on the left portion of the page, we added another feature to kind of people to enjoy playing the game while listening to the mainstream Kanye music. So as you can see, if you pick up heads, so if you pick up heads, the score is increasing, and we have a little surprise, or a few surprises actually, when you pick up a certain amount of heads. Certain icons that are also popular pop-ups, such as Drake. We have a few in there that we'll just test the people that are playing the game. They want to kind of be surprised, and they want to reach the high score of 420 points. And yeah, so this is our game, and it's kind of fun if you get onto the website. we enjoy playing it. Max can't even beat it yet, and he made the game, so that's kind of funny. What would we do differently?
Yeah, so kind of rushed into the whole snake thing, and as soon as it was working, I was like, oh man, I'm just going to keep going with it. I wish I kind of did it differently whenever I started out, used better bootstraps so I could style it better. Like, I don't know, I guess everyone's finding out that the way you start things really has an effect on the way you finish the project, and I don't know. Page responsiveness was kind of difficult to get, so I don't know. I would just simplify things for next time. And then the settings modal, we had as he mentioned earlier, we had a problem with keeping buttons active from different pages when it transitions to a different page. So.
And also we approached this game by trying to make it as simple and as fun to play as possible. So somebody that like wouldn't know anything about gaming could just go onto the website and play this game just to be entertained and just to have a little time to just relax and just listen to Kanye's music. So thank you so much for listening.